Hello, my name is Jessica and I'm the Director of School Programs and Education here at the Bronx Children's Museum, and I wanted to encourage you to apply for the ChangeX funding to receive an amazing Rigamajig set that you can add to your accessories within your museum or within your classroom. For us, it's been such an incredible tool, not only because it challenges children to problem solve together, but also because it encourages adults and children to work together. So I really recommend it, and it's super easy to apply for the funding through ChangeX. You put together a team, submit an application, and it's pretty simple. I hope you add it to your collection.